Hello student, welcome to the Electrical Measurement Laboratory. I am Sonali Patil, working as a Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering Department at KK Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research. In this video, we will perform the experiment measurement of voltage using a potential transformer. We will cover the aim, apparatus, circuit diagram, procedure and the result of the experiment. The aim is to perform the measurement of voltage using the potential transformer. The apparatus is the auto transformer, then voltmeter, 2 voltmeters are there and one is the potential transformer. This is the circuit diagram of the measurement of voltage using the potential transformer. One is the potential transformer. This is the symbol of the potential transformer. This one is the voltmeter and second one is the voltmeter. But the rating as the different. First one is the 0 to 150 volt and second one is the 0 to 300 volt. In this circuit diagram, we just check the connection of the diagram. First one is the dimmer of the phase or auto transformer is connected to the primary side of the potential transformer is the P1 and second one is the P2 is written to the auto transformer, and so from the secondary side of the potential transformer is connected the parallelly connected the voltmeter. The rating is the 0 to 150 volt and secondary side the second voltmeter is connected. The rating is the 0 to 300 volt. This one is the potential transformer. This one is the output is the secondary side and this one is the primary side. The potential transformer, as per the rating we decided the primary side and secondary side. In this practical and experiment we decided this one is the primary side and this one is the secondary side. The primary side is rating is the 230 volt 50 hertz single phase and this one is the 150 volt secondary side of the potential transformer. Check the connection. First one is this one is the supply panel, okay, phase and neutral side. We connected the phase to the auto transformer to the phase and neutral side is connected to the neutral. This is the output side of the transformer. Output side is connected to the potential transformer of the primary side and second one is also connected to the return to the auto transformer. As again the secondary side is connected, voltmeter is connected the parallelly as per the rating we already shown in a circuit diagram. The secondary voltmeter rating is the 150 volt. That's why the secondary side is connected to the 150 volt connected in parallel form to the potential transformer. The transformer secondary side and output side is connected to the first voltmeter. This one is the primary voltmeter. The rating is the 0 to 300 volt is connected to the auto transformer in parallel form. This one is the observation table of the experiment. The actual PT ratio is the 1152 to 230. That is the 1:2 the PT ratio. As per the PT ratio, this one is the observation table. Serial number V1 connected to the primary side of the potential transformer. V2 is the secondary side of the potential transformer. As per the PT ratio, this last is the for the verified the readings is correct or not. Now we are on the supply. This one is the dimmer. We smoothly varying and increasing the voltage. As per the increasing the voltage, the first voltmeter is connected to the primary side is the 0 to 300. When I am varying and increasing the voltage, the voltmeter also deflecting. This one is the primary voltmeter, nothing but the as per observation table is the V1. The rating is connected to the 300 volt. That's why we prefer the upper scale is the 0 to 300 volt. The first reading as per the voltmeter is the 120. We will write here. The first reading is the 120 volt. This one is the V1. Now we are going for the V2. This one is the V2 connected to the 0 to 150 volt. Nothing but the upper scale is the 0 to 150 volt. Now we are taking the readings is the 60 volt. This one is the first reading. Now we are again increasing the voltage and taken the second reading. Now increasing the voltage and as per the voltmeter the reading is the for the V1 is the 160 and second one is the V2 is the 80. Okay, we will just write here 160 volt and the
80 volt. We are taking only 2 readings.
Before doing the calculation, we switch off the supply of the experiment. Firstly, dimmer is set as at a point at 0, then switch off the supply and switch off the MCB.
We will do the calculation. The PT ratio is the 2, that is the 2 into the V2. V2 is the 60. Now 60 into 2 is the 120 volt. Is the verified with the V1. V1 is equal to the PT ratios readings. Now we will verify the second reading as per the first reading. Thus 2 into 80, nothing but the 160. Now the verified the both reading, V1 is equal to the V1 and V1 also second reading is the V1.
We have done the practical. The practical application is the transmission and distribution system. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.